Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about how to set your own photo in the OnePlus Band watch face list. So already in the OnePlus Band you can able to access up to 5 watch faces in the Smartband. In addition, you can also set other watch faces too using the OnePlus Health app in the discovery option. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set your own photo as the watch faces in the OnePlus Band. Now let's get started into this video guys. Well, to do this, firstly head into the OnePlus Health application. Just open the application and there at the bottom side you will see a manage option. Just click on the manage and then you will see a watch faces. Just click on that and here you will get the option discover photos and then world clock, and this is the my watch faces. You can list up to 5 watch faces here. These 5 watches can be you can able to manage in the OnePlus Band. So up to 5 watch faces you can able to manage in the OnePlus Band, and in case if you want to add in addition more watch faces means you need to delete any one of the watch faces to include a new one. And in the discover option you can able to access other designs of the watch faces in the, so these are all the watch faces are supported in the OnePlus Band. Now to set your own profile photo, so just go to the photos and here this is the option, and in the photo section you will have 3 layouts. So the first layout is the timestamp will be found at the bottom side of the Smartband, and here the timestamp at the top side, and here the timestamp will be at the overlay with your photo. Now just click on the change photo option. It shows that clock face limit has been reached, so just click on remove the option. And as I already said, up to 5 watch faces only you can able to set in the OnePlus Band. So you need to remove any one of the watch faces, so just remove any one of the watch faces, and after that just go back and now click on the change photo, and now click on the whether you want to take your photo means just click on the camera or click on choose from album. Now I am just selecting these photos. The profile photo I am now going to set in the OnePlus Band. Just click on the select option, then click on the add option. So this is the option. Just click on the done option. Now it has a 3 layout has been pre-filled. So this is the preview option. This is how you can see in the OnePlus Band. So the first one is the timestamp at the lower, then the timestamp at the top, and then the timestamp in the overlay of the image. I am going to select this first option. Now the timestamp will be shown at the bottom of the picture. Now just I am clicking this add clock's face option. So once click this in the Smartband you will get the syncing option, and similarly the watch faces is adding to the OnePlus Band. So once sync is 100% successful, now that's it, your photo will be set in the OnePlus Band. So these watch faces is be listed with the along with that the 4 watch faces you can able to access. So in this way you can set your own photo as the watch face in the OnePlus Band. Well, that's all guys in this video. This is how you can set your own photo as the watch face in the OnePlus Smartband. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys having any doubts or any Q&A related to this OnePlus Band means let me know that also in the comments below. I have already posted this OnePlus Band unboxing and how to set up guide video recently in our channel, and soon I am going to post the OnePlus Band full review with the pros and cons. So if you have any Q&A or FAQ related to this OnePlus Band means let me know that also in the comment section below. I'll try to post that in the upcoming OnePlus Band review video. So well, that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos means hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.